What's up, YouTube? I wasn't gonna make this video, but I see a lot of comments on people's video, and they still confused if they should buy this Galaxy Z Fold 2. So I guess I would make this video another normal person spending $2 on a cell phone to see if they could justify buying this phone or not. So I didn't do an unboxing. You guys already know what's in the box, so we don't need that. So this is the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Yes, I paid $2 for it, but I did trade it in a phone, so I got it around $1,400. A lot of people keep saying, is it worth $2 or not? None of the phones are worth $2. They shouldn't even be $1,000. But if you have a business and a business that you make money using your phones, your tablets, sometimes it is worth $2. Like, I run my own business, and using a phone like this makes it so much easier for me, not running to a computer, not looking at a smaller screen on a cell phone. But still, $2 is a little too high for the phone. But here's the phone. I know you guys seen a lot of it, but this is just what I think of it, no matter the price or not. The screen on the front, it does look good like everybody's saying, but it is a little too narrow for me. But I do use it a lot when I just got to pull my phone out real quick, so it's not a big issue, because it's always easy just to open the phone like this. But the screens, like I said, this one's good. The screen protector on the front, you might want to take off, because if you just touch it with your nail like this, it ruins it already. Same thing with the inside. But the inside screen protector, I don't know if you want to take that off yourself, because what everybody's saying, Samsung wants you to do it with one of their reps. But same thing with this screen. It feels good and everything, but if I stick my nail just like that, I've already put a mark in it just by touching it lightly. So be careful with that. Another thing people are asking, they wish it was like the Note, that you could use your pen. Well, I do have a stylus here, and if you have one of these stylus, you see right there, there's one of those soft tips. It's like a little cotton tip, softer than your finger. This actually works good on here. So if people want to write notes or use it in any other regular way or drawing, this actually works fine. So I know you don't want to carry this, but some people do carry pens on them, so that does work good if you want to know if a pen worked. Speakers, there's another thing people are saying they're loud. Some people, big YouTubers, are saying it's not loud. I don't know why would they say that, but the speakers are pretty loud. Actually, sometimes they're a little bit annoying, being that it's a cell phone, and when it's close to you, they do get loud, but it depends what content you're listening to. Like, a lot of times on YouTube, stuff won't be that loud, but sometimes you might have a song or something on, and it does get pretty loud. Also, this is a D brand skin. I did buy this because I'm trying to protect the phone as much as I can, because you can't buy a case right now for it. Right now, what I use is I bought this holster from Amazon, and I know it's a big holster, but to protect the phone right now, instead of putting it in and out of my pocket and it dropping, because it is heavier than a standard phone, so it will slide out your pocket. This is what I use right now to I get my case. And if I can get a screenshot, I'll put a screenshot here of what case I ordered, because I ordered the speaking case, and that case is taken till November to get here. So I ordered another case that does have a kickstand that will be here in, I believe, the 16th of this month. So that's why I changed it to that one. I did order the one from Samsung, the leather case, and that case is no good. I wouldn't trust it. There's only a little clip in the back, so for 80 bucks, I didn't want to use that case. Also, I know you guys are wondering, if you would have ordered in the beginning, you would have got money off, trade-ins and everything, because I got this basically for free from Samsung. I got the phone, I traded in another phone, got credit, also had credit for schooling and business. So like I said, I got the phone a lot cheaper, but $2 is still a lot for the phone. Oh, I also got this as well. I got the new Tab S7. I got that on a deal with the trade-in too. I might make a video on this. But everything seems to work smooth on the phone. Everybody, it has a 120 on it refresh rate. I don't use it. I know they say it kills your battery a lot, but I actually don't even like it that much. The phone's fast and the way it looks. The cameras, I know that's like the main thing on this phone everybody likes to talk about. The cameras are actually, they're okay, but they're actually a lot better when it comes to the live focus. Before, when you would do live focus, you would take a picture and the person would, the image would be soft and it wouldn't be in so focus. Everything, the lining and everything on the outside is good, but the people's face would just not be that detailed, or just like the Google phone. But now that's got a lot better. Okay, another thing is I haven't made videos and uploaded on YouTube in a long time. But my daughter is there. She's a lot older now, but she's a model and she does commercials and runway shows and stuff like that. So I always got to edit videos for her, and I don't like doing it on the computers on the big software anymore. So I like to use my tablet or my phone, and being that the screen is almost 8 inches now, it's a lot easier just to do it like this. I don't even know if I'm gonna use my tablet that much anymore, but on here I use this right here is called KineMaster, and using this, it actually exports, let me go there, it exports video pretty fast, 4K 60. It's no issue. Pretty much do anything except some of those fancy edits, but you can mess with the audio a little bit. You can do color grading, and like I said, it plays back the video and everything pretty good, pretty fast. So I don't know if you guys want me to, you can put in the comments if you want me to show you a tutorial about using KineMaster for video editing. But like I said, you can see how big the video is using this now for editing videos on the go. Cause see, I don't use the computer no more, so I use a little DJI Osmo Action or Pocket, and I do use my main camera that I have here. It's very easy just to pop in the card into this and just get the video in directly and edit pretty much. That's another thing too. This phone looks big on camera, but it's really not that big. It's actually not that big at all. When I first opened it, I thought this screen was gonna be real big because of what I seen on YouTube, because it comes on camera, it appears really big, but it's actually not that big. But it's comfortable, it's good to use. What else you guys want to see? Battery life, I don't know nothing about that. I just use the phone, pretty much lasts all day. I really don't care about that stuff. I always have a charger. I charge it all the time. Not a big issue. Another thing too with the camera, let me show you guys this. When you guys are using live focus, just so you guys know, because a lot of people do it, when you want to shoot something like this and using live focus, don't use the zoomed in lens, because that's the one that's not going to give you sharp and it looks always soft and everything when you take a picture. Go out to the wider one and then go closer, and this is the one that's going to give you a sharper image. I've been doing it for a long time and realizing I've been messing up on photos like that. If you do it with this one, sharper image, because that's your main camera, that zoom lens, it's not that sharp. It's not good at all, really. So when you're doing portrait mode, like I said, put in the comments below if you want me to do like a tutorial on how to use the camera better, because a lot of people ask for it all the time. I see on other videos, like they're new to Android or something, so they don't know how to use the phone, and I can do that. Like I said, the phone is just nothing. It's great. Besides paying $2,000 for it, you don't have to be super careful with it. I wouldn't drop it or anything because it's gonna cost a lot to fix it. But the phone feels good, fluid, doesn't stutter on me. You will get occasional stutter. That's how phones are. iPhones do the same thing. So don't get caught into all that iPhone, Android stuff. They all freeze and reboot and do all that, so it's not that serious. But besides that, the phone pretty good, does everything I need to do. I run my business fine on it. So like I said, I didn't say too much on this video. I'm gonna end it, but put some comments down below so I can, maybe make another video more detailed in specific areas. I was just trying to show you a few things and what I think about the phone. Like I said, it's worth it. It's not that serious, especially if you're not paying $2,000 out of your pocket. On Samsung, you can pay anywhere from 12 months to 48 months and pay it no interest. So it's pretty much the same thing. You're paying it online on T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon. It's nothing really that much different. But like I said, write in the comments. I could make other videos on this. Also, I have the Tab S7 Plus, and I got the controllers with them. So if you want to see something like on the Game Pass, how it works, or on this phone, or more specific with the pen, how things are working, or when I get the casing, just put that down below, and then it'll give me an idea or something to make a video about. Maybe I want to start making videos again. So if you guys enjoy that, hit me back. Thanks.